Right, that's it. Yo, Alkaline fans, hear me I say, cause me see all on a go on, and a group up and forward, right, that's it. See? What is a alkaline? Alkaline is a water. And see no for
A few moments later.
Isn't he locked up?
Yes.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
I don't know Media Fox now, I think said people. Mr. Vybz Cartel. What I call it? That one I name Vybz Machine. I'm calling Vybz Cartel. Temu aka Sheen. Yeah man. Wannabe. Seeing? Put in braids. Wear shades. Put in braces. Everything like Vybz Cartel man. Wanna see it on the thumbnail. Him do everything. Like Vybz Cartel. Wannabe. Seeing? Can't remember you know. We never know this a youth you know. Seeing? As since Vybz Cartel come out, the man just jump out away nowhere you know. Yeah man. But him run out like him want this the vendetta boss. Cause I realize when Alkaline drop key man you know, I see him run out. But you don't know nobody no pre him. But me have expose something today. This your man ya love when man give them attention. Seeing? Because through Vybz Cartel give him back a reply when him comment. That put him in them feelings because he look like him go over Alkaline to me. Like him go over Alkaline page and text over there Alkaline appear in the mind like him vex. Cause no for you know. You not talk about Gaza people and whatsoever. No for you wagonist and a true Vybz Cartel for the road. You not run with the wave and hype. But people want to listen and hear what the fool you say. See?
Right, that's it. Yo, Alkaline fans, hear me I say, cause me see all on a go on, and a group up and forward, right, that's it. See? What is a alkaline? Alkaline is a water. And see no for right now. Me a go on a challenge. Go over Alkaline page and go comment on one picture or video and see if you might reply to Kuno. Where I hype up on yourself and about data this, data that and data rate. Go over page or comment on one and post them and see if him man even have meds or no.
But tell me wait, this man is a Gaza man. And the man a worry about the vendetta people them a go over Alkaline page. And Alkaline now reply to them. But true because him can text over Vybz Cartel. And Vybz Cartel love their attention. So him reply to them in him comment them. But true Alkaline nah do it. It put him in him feelings. Then how you as a Gaza man? I get in your feelings because Alkaline now reply to him fans them in a comment. Me not understand this. I went since people start read artists who answer them fans in a comment. Me not understand that. Look how much artists no answer them fans under them comment. Me telling about Uno you know. Uno love man. That a Uno love man too much. That a no problem if you no want be over Cartel and comment and Una him do bed talk or whatsoever. Yeah man go do with that. You understand? If the vendetta fans them comfortable with them artists, them do them comment, yeah, that's it. You understand? There's no relevant reason for Alkaline comment under them. You have to understand you know. You have to remember this. You see Cartel and Alkaline are two different man. You have to understand. So look here. Alkaline no time for answer no fan in a comment, brother. The man is an artist. The man is a superstar. You understand? Yeah, Cartel no really have nothing to do, so him can answer. Him can reply with anybody in a for them comment. You understand? Alkaline no time for that. You see? So if you want to go over Cartel and comment and get your reply and all of them look at something there, brother, fine. You're an artist that. So why you are worried about True vendetta fan them attack out and every little thing now. You in your feelings I say, yo, basically you know people. Basically him in them feelings because the vendetta people them are defend them artists. But True Alkaline reply to them in a comment. Bro, me tell you already don't love sweets. You understand? That's why Alkaline say, yo, True him not sit down and chat up with them. You see me? Them would have been favorite. You see me? Him would have been them favorite if him sit down and chat with them. No for them. You see? So just look what I say.
Uno DJ no like uno. Alkaline are like none of uno vendetta fans. Uno try know that, hear that. Cause watching you see most of uno na wagonist. You know why enough of uno turn vendetta? Because uno don't like Vybz Cartel. Uno they are to Vybz Cartel and then as Alkaline forward out uno about a vendetta and re.
Brother, you know say that brother yeah. You know say to me feel him did a vendetta fan. You know why? Just because him get one little reply from Cartel and him not get it from Alka. And that me I see, you know, because when you check it, people, see, why would you tell a fan base where I know your fan base if you go over them artists and comment and say if them go get reply? Me not understand that. But people, let me tell you this. Vendetta, Zine, Alkaline, fans are my most loyalist fans in a dancehall right now. Zine, you hear me talk about true about Alkaline fan and my wagonist. People, me go expose something. See, me go play one video for now and make you see what I want. I want to pre that video yeah, and see who are the wagonists. You understand? I want to see this. See, pre these people. See, so this a brother yeah, you know. This a 2017 Alkaline show. Keep out a national stadium. See? Yeah, big show. 2017 Alkaline after 3 years of performing in Jamaica. Yo, this go down in the history book. See? Look here, you know, that youth is a Gaza man, you know. It's a Gaza man. This, we're going to see who are the real wagonists. You understand? That are the thing. Some of them not real. Them run with the hype and all of them. Because some of them true Vybz Cartel come with a lot of hype. You understand? And some of them afraid to even go against it because they don't want the backlash. But more want to listen to that youth, yeah. Zina, listen what I say.
I was used to say God and now what that I'm thing right now.
Hush, yeah. He's very creative and very lyrical.
Alright, and I'm not kidding. Cartel ever hold it.
No, he's very versatile.
Now Alkaline are the man for the ear right now.
Vendetta for life.
The first me ever see him live.
So, when I realize what the youth I say a while ago, you understand? When I realize what the youth I say a while ago. The youth I say, yo, a vendetta and thing there right now. Vendetta run the place. Enough of them. Seeing? Enough of them people. A wagonist, them switch forward over the vendetta thing. Seeing? Because this is the thing, you know, people. There's no way a youth will just forward in our business, people just switch from a big fan base to a small fan base. It show you say them never loyal to Vybz Cartel, that's why them switch. You understand? Because if them be loyal to Cartel go prison, seeing? Enough of them I say, yo, Jano. Wait. They never rate Cartel. I tell you why them not loyal to Vybz Cartel. You would have seen it in their music. If Cartel drop album, there's no support. Him sang them, you realize that them not even supporting music right now. You know what them a support? The hype with their own Cartel. That's what them a do. The hype. Anyway, the hype that them did it, yeah, Vybz Cartel show. If you go there, the hype, they are the show. So them a go pull up. You understand? But when you come forward into buy iTunes and buy sales for album for Vybz Cartel, nothing not there. You understand? But people, may I play a next video. Zine? Want to listen to this, you know, may I play a next video. So that video you know with Boom Boom. Zine? Boom Boom the DJ. And he might expose something say, yo, look what I go on. I want to listen to the video keenly. You understand?
Almost all of the nights at Dream Weekend, and not only Dream Weekend, but sometimes when you listen to some of the selectors play, you kind of get a feeling like they have been saying, boy, some of the selectors them did sell out the Gaza and sell out Vybz Cartel. They weren't playing Vybz Cartel as much as when he just went in.
So, you see what I try to tell the people? Enough of them DJ, never them stop play Vybz Cartel. Zine, stop play Vybz Cartel. Because enough of them will call themselves Gaza DJ. Yeah, them never real. It was all about the hype. Everything is all about Vybz Cartel when it forward to hype. Because if the Vybz Cartel was real, them artists, them would not support in music too. But them not support it when it comes to binds and all of them. Look at something there. You understand? It not number one like that. You see, it's like how Alkaline music I hit iTunes chant USA every time him release a song. Yeah, because the Vendetta fans support the artist. When Vybz Cartel drop song, them not even too talk about it. It no number one, nothing. You understand? And that a facts. You see it. But Boom Boom I go answer the question because enough of the DJ them what them call and say so-called Gaza DJ stop play Cartel. And since Vice Cartel come out, them start play back Cartel because what? The hype. But Boom Boom I go tell you what go on. Listen your people.
Yeah. That's a reality. Yeah. That's a true. You know what I mean? Yeah. Me support that. What the people them say. Okay. So me I say, right. And since Cartel come back around now, me I tell you, never me can get a Cartel to play.
A fact that people, me say the day when Cartel forward out. You see when you go in a town them, a be a Cartel arrange. Everybody a play a Cartel. Every party a go a Cartel. You understand? Yeah man, a who organize them. A them a organize them no loyal. You understand? But down the line I go see what go on. But boom boom I tell you. You see it? Yeah man, listen what I say.
The man they turn that style back in the gully and Gaza, you know what I mean? Yes. Some people just do it to get a forward and them somebody, you know. But you have some real DJ like me, what I say, world boss is free, you know what I mean? Right. Yeah man, so we just glad to the G the back road, you know. Alright, so
yeah, you hear him say a while ago, him been a say world boss is free. You never him I know him not bring down say yo, if him was one of the DJ then we still a play Cartel, you know. Cause him know, you know. Cause Boom Boom play Cartels, but him never appear as much too. You understand? Him just say that player, the young artists them. You understand? But you don't know, you know what things. But me I try to tell you so that fool ya, that look Vice Cartel Sheen, you talk about loyal and all of them look someday. Brother, you know no sense, dog. You see what me I try to say? But we are go listen to what I say, you see it? I go listen to what I say, people. Cause I realize say them man need Alkaline attention, you know. You see it? But listen to what I say, people.
Because not for one Vendetta fans, not all, but not for one Vendetta fans on a bad mind. You're on a bad mind now on a delusional. You see me I say? Yeah, and that.
Yo. Yo, that I tell you say, the bad say Vendetta fans bad mind. People, listen what I say a while ago. Vendetta people bad mind. Tell me where Vendetta people bad mind with. Me not understand that. When Uno somehow as the Gaza people them. Seeing everything where next man do, you wanna say? Yo, Vice Cartel my follow. Yo, Ray, this, that. Nobody can do nothing without no try to use Vice Cartel or call Vice Cartel name, say they might follow this and follow that. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you found out, you know. Seeing? You sound like you bad mind. Because you found out. And I go tell the Vendetta people if you go over Alkaline page, Zine, and comment on the page and see if Alkaline answer. And I say, Zine, here you know, him go say Alkaline narrate him fans them. And the last interview BET, Alkaline tell us, yo, if inspired by him fans them, what you talk about? Alkaline will keep him show them all over the world, so him fans them can forward. Brother, nobody talk, man. Nobody make we talk right now, we know. Kaya talk about Alkaline, narrate him fans them, or Cartel narrate him fans them. Brother, you forgot what happened on Freedom Street? You forgot say Cartel call him CM fans them, criticize them, drunk and broke and hungry, you know, brother. Remember that, you know. Remember say a Cartel say he might give the people them 50% ticket, the financially challenged people, you know, bro. Them have people them downtown. Some of them know what you talk about, bro. Cartel show them every time the people them fall out, them a big Cartel ticket. Free ticket because them cannot afford. You understand? So, me don't know what you talk about. When Alkaline I keep him on a show. Me never hear no Vendetta fan fall out on a big Alkaline ticket because it's expensive. So, me don't know what you talk about. You see it? Because me don't know how bad mind fall in this. Tell me how Vendetta fan bad mind now. Tell me. How Vendetta fan bad mind? Me nah see Vendetta fan out there say, yo, me nah rate out, yo, Cartel get this and Cartel. No. We not do that. We come out, we forward out and talk. Vendetta people them forward and talk the truth about the music, every little thing. You understand? Uno bring down people same like how you forward and I try bring down the Vendetta thing right now. For no reason, because why? A Cartel artist, see there, you put in braces, bleach out, everything you do like Cartel. Because you forward on the internet now and you want a little attention. But we are going to give you. But you got to expose your own self. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
To we have to talk about. You see me I say? We say, we not deal with no brata thing. And the next thing again, on the DJ say, 1,000 girl in rotation as a gelding. I make a reason now. A gelding. If you idolize the talk there and pre the talk there, you tell you them say, alright, you not have to breed no girl. If you not breed no girl, the population will go dead.
Yo, me tell you about people. Vybz Kartel, come get your fans, bro. So you tell me, say, just because Alkaline said 1,000 girl in a rotation as a gelding, Zane, that put you in your feelings, dog? Eh? That put you in your feelings, brother? So wait, me not understand that. So tell me now, this man I go say no people, Alkaline I go say I go make population decrease. Right. Brother, so brother, before Alkaline sing that song there, how much youth or man in a Jamaica right now have one bag of girl and no youth? How much? How much girl in Jamaica right now have one bag of girl and no youth, brother? You understand? Maybe all you too. Here's it. Not because your artists have one bag of youth and one bag of thing, bro. You see what I try to say? First of all, none of you know if Alkaline have a youth. You understand? You don't know. You just speculate right now. You understand? So, you are going to say Alkaline a try decrease population or whatever. So tell me now. So you want a man to breed up one bag of girl out there carelessly, see? And pay. You understand? Remember say Alkaline is an artist, you know. How much dancehall artists right now we have one bag of pitney and still not pay them youth in a mind? Or nah take care of them youth in a dancehall right now? How much dancehall artists have a bunch of girl breed up everything and then baby mother I talk about them, say them nah mind them youth and all of them something? Why you not say with them, say yo, man him for take care of them youth? But is a youth now, we have him girl them and now breed up no bag of girl carelessly. And that youth they have beat? So you rather a dancehall artist breed up a one bag of girl and make him youth them suffer than a youth where have a bag of girl and now have a youth and not pitting off a band for worry and struggle or whatsoever. Not saying if Alkaline have a youth, the youth are going to struggle. But you are beat that and now beat the real thing. You understand? Yes, artists out there have youth and now mind the youth them and the youth them are suffer. You understand? That worse than a man where now breed up no one bag of woman and not taking care of the youth. You understand? But it show you how on a Gaza man stay. You see it? Not because Vybz Kartel have youth and him have the money can mind them. Not because of that. A next man for go out there have the same amount of people with Kartel have. See? I don't say it work, bro. You understand? First of all, none if Alkaline have youth. None of them know that. You see it? And the youth now for make you know what go on. But you are going to say if that was a trend, that would have decreased population. Bro, the population done decreasing already, bro. Woman now pitney in a Jamaica right now. Right now, them put out a report say, yo, no baby now ban. You understand? So I don't know where you try to say, bro. You see it? You know how much youth out there right now where them not see them father and suffer right now? Suffer. You understand? Suffer till them have to go out there, go turn criminal and all of them because them want to make it, them not want to stay hungry. So I don't know where you talk. But listen what I say, people.
The whole of we go dead off of earth. You see me I say, youth have a band. So me can't big up a thing like that where I'm going to say gelding and I celebrate gelding. The man figure breed girl. You hear that and get youth and build up the black population. And
so weird. Yo, that brother is sick there everything. So you tell so one man you look for have pitney in a dance. So weird. Alkaline and your artist, bro. Vybz Kartel your artist, are you still not satisfied? You still not satisfied, bro? Kartel have a much youth. You're supposed to be satisfied, dog. You are worried about a man. Zine, where I inspire the youth them to tell them say, yo, earn on a way, bill on money and all of them. You see all with Uno? Me see why Uno has fans come like Uno artists, you know. So Alkaline motivate the youth them. for earn them way, Zine, get rich, and set themselves, them foundation, so them can have a youth. But true Vybz Cartel forward out now and having bag of pitney them and every little thing. You want the youth them to go out there to have pitney so. I don't know the next money I got earnings I got forward from. Brother, no. Destroy society, bro. Cause una go there have one bag of youth and then una know and yourself so una go play a father role. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
Yes, I think that. So I don't want to forward on my page and in the comment section and chat up on the mouth. Because right now, I can't go comment on the artist page and they reply to uno. And Vybz Cartel, we're bigger than Alkaline 10 million times. They can comment on the page and they reply to a normal man. Right.
Bro, yeah, your artist love man, dog. Because you fall on social media. If you try prove, say, through your text Vybz Cartel, pan him comment and him answer you, bro. And you feel like say that is something that sound right? Eh? That sound right to you, bro? True Alkaline, cause I must something you try already, you know, dog. You try something already, you know, that you do, you know. It look like you try to comment on Alkaline page or whatsoever. Maybe you for sure say you watch out the youth page. Seeing? And maybe you watch it and you say you not answer nobody comment. And that, you know, cause that me realize say you really forward for. But sure wanna say, bro, you love man too much. That with uno, bro, you know, see the vendetta people out there complain say Alkaline now comment on them comment. But you Vybz Cartel, that Vybz Cartel do you know. Yeah man, cause him know no love sweet. So you know what? As gonna drop a comment him reply to it. You understand? Look on you. You in a shades and blue here like you're a girl, dog. Eh? Like you're a girl. Blue here. You in a like Spice. You understand? And brace his teeth and tattoo up on one bag of thing. Like you want to be a man so much. Like you're obsessed with Vybz Cartel, bro. Cause you look just like him, you want to look just like him. Plus, you want him comment and you comment them, dog. Eh? So Alkaline say 1,000 girl in a rotation as a gelding. Before you go look for some girl or reply to you, you come up on the internet. I try bash the vendetta people and because Alkaline a comment, because Cartel a comment to you, bro. So you a try, you is like, you love when Vybz Cartel reply to your comment them before you love when woman comment to you, a man, you want reply to you, bro. Me tell you already, don't love man too much, bro. The bag of man thing. You understand? If vendetta people want comment on Alkaline picture and show him the love and support as them artists, fine. Alkaline no need of a reply. Look how much big artists out there. International artists. When people comment on them thing, you think they don't have time, bro. Maybe because Cartel don't really have things to do like that. He will have time for comment and make you feel nice. Alkaline no need to do that, brother. Uno don't remember, bro. Uno don't even know if a Alkaline a control him Instagram page. Uno don't know, but it shows a Vybz Cartel control film page. That's why I'm on the media video post and all of them look something there. Him love attention. Alkaline love attention, bro. Especially from man. You understand? So worry about your Cartel and reply and all of them little thing there, bro. Enough come off of media with this love man mentality, bro. You understand? This man I got me can't believe people. This man I got boss with Alkaline and Cartel. Say Alkaline answer, reply to people him not feed them comment, but Cartel I do it and show Cartel bigger than Alkaline. Bro, you know fishy that sound, brother. Eh? Bro, may I tell you people, I don't know in a one media facts, but we have to expose them youth, dog. No man, them a go the wrong way, brother. This our Cartel Sheen. You understand? AKA Temu. Yeah man, Vybz Cartel wannabe. Yeah man, you copy everything, man. I tell you, but people don't know in a one media facts, Big up for the subboard. You see me, like, share and subscribe. You see it? Yeah man, that is it.